Alright guys, so this is the startup of the DJI Mini 2. And we're going to go into the DJI Fly app. And this is what it's going to look like when you're first starting up your drone, because this is the first time I'm starting up this drone. It's going to go through all the DJI UAS products terms of use. You're going to have to agree to all that fun stuff because you read it. I know everybody reads those. And then confirm binding account. So then you're going to have to either create a DJI account beforehand and use the one that you created, or you can go in and actually create one through this app. But I've already created one, and we'll go ahead and just activate this drone. That's quick. So just like that. The DJI Care Refresh. So this gives you 48 hours to purchase like a care plan. So you get like a couple replacements. They're not free replacements, but they are like $50 instead of buying a whole another $400 drone. Water damage coverage, free two-way shipping, and then flyaway coverage in case you lose it. You can kind of get some ideas here. So it's $49 for a 1-year plan. And yeah, so you can go ahead and choose to do that, or skip it and not even worry about it. All right, so now that we've set up everything, we chose to do or not do the refresh plan. Now we can go through and update everything. So up top left here, you can see that the new DJI Mini 2 firmware is available. It's a 50.3 megabyte. I'm on cell service here, but I'm going to go ahead and update it and see how long that takes us. You want to make sure that you update everything before you go and fly. It'll probably have you update your batteries as well. Oh, look at that. It's going quick. So you'll do update on the drone, and then you'll do an update on each battery that you may have. Oh, look at that. The install is pretty dang quick too, it looks like. So my controller lights are flashing. Now they're solid, indicating the installation. And honestly, still not that bad though for being over cell service. I am on 5G here, and I'm also using a iPhone 12 Pro. That may or may not make a difference, but just in case you're wondering. All right, look at that. DJI Mini 2 firmware update is successful. So all in about that probably took like 10 minutes. And again, that was using 5G. That wasn't using a Wi-Fi or anything like that. If I was on the Wi-Fi here at my university, it probably would have been a lot quicker, but here we are outside doing it. So now we can connect to the drone. The drone automatically turns off on that, so you're going to have to turn it back on by flipping it over, pressing it and holding. Now it's kicked back on. It's going to do its thing. All right, so we're going to go into our menu here. We're going to go into about, control. We're going to go to Imperial because we're in the United States. We're going to take the front LED. We'll leave it to breathing just in case we fly at night. Let's turn it to a blue one because why not? Let's see. Phone charging is off, just to save some battery in the controller. I've got a full battery in my phone at the moment. Let's calibrate. Let's see. Safety. Alright, so max altitude at 393 because I can't go over 400 here. Max distance. Let's just kind of crank that up a little bit. Return to home altitude. Let's do 200 feet. Or maybe 150. 160 is good. Compass, let's calibrate that. There you go. So that's a pre-flight checklist. Go into video.
Takeoff. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map. Go home. Landing. Critically low battery. Critically low battery. Critically low battery. Critically low battery.